Introducing AOSU, a smart video doorbell that makes sure you see and hear everything.
Hi!
5-megapixel Ultra HD video with wide dynamic range and direct video calling means you'll never miss a visitor. It's easy to install and can be used on any home, either wired or battery powered. Even when you're not at home, you'll know in real time when someone visits. And when you can't talk, use quick replies instead.
Please leave the package in front of the door. Thank you.
AOSU uses the latest technology to know exactly when and where someone steps onto your property.
Hey, that's mine.
Sorry. Plus, it's handy when you don't feel like making conversation.
Sorry, we're not interested.
But if I could just...
Nope.
And you can access everything anytime via the AOSU app. AOSU stores everything locally, can handle extreme weather, works in the dark, and even connects with your smart assistant.
Hi! I go movies!
The AOSU Video Doorbell. Never miss a visitor.